We're here to talk about how we leverage AI in a safe and responsible manner in finance. I started this company on the principle that computers have been invented to figure out how to avoid the one thing that humans are bad at, which is logic and repeatedly without any mistakes. That's what computers did. In fact, the role computer back in the days was actually a human being working in a company. They were called computers. And then, but they would get tired, they would make mistakes. We would not say they would hallucinate, we'd simply say they make mistakes. Now we are in an era where AI is able to mimic humans, but do we really want to mimic what humans actually call as a weakness? No. But there are ways of leveraging the strengths of AI. And that's what we would like to talk about. If you look at the relationship of AI in finance, it has been a long-standing relationship.